Whisper softly that I might see you again. Hold me down and watch the water rise. Pull me out and bring me back into this light.